Hello, and thanks for dropping by my kitchen. I want to show you something special today, and I've been wanting to do it for a long time, and so I finally got around to being able to do it. And what it is, it's a baked chicken in the oven. Now, I know you know that there's a lot of recipes out there for baked chicken. I'm not showing you anything new, but this is just a recipe that I like, and I want to share it with you. So, what I got here, I cut my chicken in half and went ahead and seasoned half of it, and I'm gonna I seasoned it with some Zach's grilling seasoning. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some olive oil on it. And I'm showing you something to help you stretch your food budget, okay? Especially if you just 1, 2, or 3 people in your house. You can take one chicken and you get 2 different meals out of it with one chicken. So I'm gonna wrap this chicken up with it already seasoned up. And I'm going to mark it, what it is, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. With today's bird, I'm going to do the same thing as far as seasoning goes. I'm going to season this half a chicken up. Do it rather liberally. Now I'm using some Zach's grilling seasoning, but you can use whatever you want, whatever you like. I mean, there's all kinds out there. There's adobo and oh, I don't know, I can't think of them right now, but there's many of them out there that you can use. Fajita seasoning, whatever. So I'm heating my oil up over here. I'm going to take my bird, and did you hear that sizzle? I'm going to take the bird. I've got some olive oil in there that I heated up. I'm going to get that seasoning cooked on there, just like you would any other kind of piece of meat. And then I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to drown it with some vegetable broth. And then I'm going to put an onion in there as well. So I got one onion. And I'm slicing it up in half moons. Once I get my chicken browned, I'm going to flip him over and I'm going to drown him with my vegetable broth, and then I'm going to put him in the oven for an hour and a half at 325. And when I have about 45 minutes left of cooking time, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put some potatoes and carrots in there for the rest of the cooking duration. And the first part is going to be covered. When I'm going through the last part, I'm going to take the cover off to kind of like brown the skin a little bit. Okay, there you go. Got him on the other side. Yeah. We've got some vegetable broth here. drown this chicken in vegetable broth. I'm using the whole container. I'm going to put my onions around him. Put the cover on him. And we're going to go to the oven. There you go. He's in the oven. Very simple recipe. 325 for an hour and a half. Covered. And then when I got about 45 minutes left, I'm going to uncover him and put some sliced potatoes lengthways and a few carrots. And I want to try to put enough potatoes in there that we're going to eat today. I don't want to have a lot of leftovers. I want to eat up everything. So this should be enough to feed 2 or 3 people, maybe 4. I don't know. Depends on how big the portions are. But anyway, I'll see you in about an hour and a half, okay? Okay, I've got 45 minutes left on the cook time. I have a couple of potatoes that I cut up. And I cut them lengthways, like this. I'm going to drop them in here. Ooh. I got a handful of carrots. Okay, I got it back in the oven. We're going to cook another 45 minutes. And I'm going to check the internal temperature of the chicken. The white meat should register 170, and the thighs should register 185. I hope it turns out that way. We'll see in a little while.